Hi, my name is Stephen. I'm a founder of My Amazon Guy. I've got my baby shark with me to give my mama shark a little bit of downtime here on Valentine's Day. I'm going to be talking today in this video about display ads. That sponsored display ads. You'll notice the beta symbol right there. And basically, this is a new program. There's some new features that have been added. I'm going to talk about a couple of cheap techniques to get some impressions for your campaigns. If you need any Amazon consulting or advertising management, you can go over to myamazonguy.com. All right, so here are some display campaigns that I have already built. There's various different techniques that I've used here, basically targeting different display types. So to start, go to Advertising Campaign Manager. That'll pull up this screen. Click on Sponsored Display. When you're in here, I want you to set a daily budget of $2, which you might think is quite low, and it is, but it's done on purpose for this particular display setup. In the audience type, I want you to do pay per impression and for purchases. Basically, this will target anybody who's purchased from you previously. Scroll down, pick a product. Typically speaking, I would go with one of your best sellers. However, if 80% of your sales are on a single SKU, clearly you need to get outside of that box to get a reorder from a past purchaser. So I'll let the product choosing be left to you. But in my instance, I have thousands of sales across multiple items, and I'm going to target my this particular Mama Shark glass. So you can see this is the product I'm targeting, and I'm going to hit past purchasers no matter what they've purchased previously. Down here in the bidding, I'm going to set a CPM bid of 50 cents. This is a cost per 1,000 impressions. And on the right here, you can see the daily estimate. So they're going to estimate that I'm going to hit about 1,000 to 5,000 people. And my $2 budget would run out right around here. You see those dotted lines. And basically, you can play with this a little bit to figure out your ideal daily budget and your ideal daily CPM bid. The goal here is not to generate sales. The goal here is not to get a click-through purchase, but to get cheap impressions for your product. And basically, the theory behind this is if you get lots and lots of impressions on items to your past purchasers, they're going to return to you because A, there's a strong possibility they remember who you are, or they're going to see a product that they have bought a related type product for. So with that in mind, select purchases, go ahead and set that up. And then, of course, after you've created this, go back and monitor the campaign. It's very important that you double check how it monitors. But for the most part, this particular type of campaign can be run with the one setup and forget it, most likely because, again, the whole idea behind this particular setup is just to get cheap impressions off of Amazon. Very cheap way to do campaign management to build some impressions and grow your brand. So with that said, I better run here. You guys have a good, happy Valentine's Day.